Yeah, Amtrak 815 East, over.
Amtrak 815 East, sitting on top of your yellow red flag here at the depot. We're ready to depart eastward. Over.
Yeah, this is Form Hop using Form B 4015 between milepost 202.8X and milepost 203.0X on the KO sub. Main 2, Amtrak 815 East may pass the red flag located at milepost 203.x at maximum authorized speed, over.
Roger, Amtrak 815 East with Foreman Hobbs' permission can proceed to the limits of track voltage in Form B 4015 on the KO sub limits 203.0x, 202.8x. We can proceed to these limits on main track 2 by your red flag at 203.0x, maximum authorized speed without stopping, over.
That is correct, 815 East.
815 East, okay, we'll be pulling shortly.
Have a good trip.
Thank you. Okay, here we go, highball, Amtrak 8.
Airport dispatchers, Gavin Yard Radio.
Amtrak 156 West, ready clear 518-7, over.
518-7, go ahead, over.
Okay, Amtrak 156 West, like clear track work 518-7 with item 2, west, sighting switch counter, DTC 30, main track, clear limits at 1038, 1038.
Track 156 West, reporting time, track 1, 518-7, between West and County, 30, 1038.